Okay. So what were we discussing in the previous session? Does anybody remember? Yes? Does anybody remember what we were discussing in the previous session? I'm audible, right?
यस मैम।
अच्छा, तो किसी को याद नहीं है। ओके।
मैम वो किया था हमने, मिसिसिपी वो सब किया था। उसके बाद
हाँ, उसके बाद और एक लेक्चर हुआ
उसके
था।
बाद एक और लेक्चर हुआ था जिसमें हमने
We were
मैम
discussing
एल एल आर आर रोटेशन वो सब कुछ किया था।
यस
what kind of tree is that? What is the name of that tree?
एवीएल ट्री का भी चालू किया था, फिर बैलेंस अनबैलेंस सब कुछ था।
हाँ, we were discussing AVL tree in the previous session, right? Remember? Is the screen visible?
यस मैम।
We were discussing one example. We were discussing this example, right? I'll discuss this example once again so that it, you will be able to recollect what we were discussing in the previous session. So we had discussed four types of rotations: LL, RR, LR, and RL rotation. Right? When do we do an LL rotation? When do we perform an LL rotation? When a new node is inserted in the left subtree of the problem node. Remember, I told you, look in this direction. And when a new node is inserted in the left subtree of the problem node. When do we do an RR rotation? When a new node is inserted in the right subtree of the problem node. When do we do an LR rotation? When a new node is inserted in the right subtree of the left subtree of the problem node. And when do we do an RL rotation? When a new node is inserted in the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node. Now, what is a problem node? Does anybody remember who is a problem node? Who is a problem node?
मैम हु हैज अ नंबर ग्रेटर नॉट 0 1 और -1।
Very good, right? Now, let's discuss this example so that you can recollect what the rotations are. So these were the values which I had given you, and I think many of you have already solved this. So what is step 1? First value is 63, right? So what you will do, you will create your root node with data value 63. Now balance factor is 0 because it does not have a left subtree and a right subtree, right? It's a leaf node. It's a root node. Now, what is the next value? Next value is 9. 9 is less than 63. So you know that 9 will go into the left subtree only. What will be the balance factor of 9? 9 again is a leaf node, so its balance factor will be 0. What is the balance factor of your root node? See, it has a left subtree. It does not have a right subtree. So what is the balance? What is the formula for calculating balance factor? Balance factor is equal to height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. What is the height of left subtree? Height of left subtree is 1, right? What is the height of the right subtree? There is no right subtree. So it is 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. So what is the balance factor of your root node? Balance factor of your root node is 1. Next. Next node is 19. 19, where will 19 go? 19 will obviously go in the left subtree only because 19 is less than 63. So where will 19 come? 19 is greater than 9, so it will come in the right subtree of your right subtree of 9. Now when you recalculate the balance factor, what you will get? For 19, for this node, balance factor is 0 because there's no left and right subtree. For this node, the balance factor is minus 1. How did you get this minus 1? Somebody tell me how did you get this minus 1?
मैम बिकॉज इट्स ऑन द राइट साइड।
So what is the formula here? It is 0 minus
Left,
1.
yeah, yeah.
0 minus 1 is
Zero
minus.
minus one.
And for this node, when you calculate the balance factor, see what is the height of the left subtree? Height of the left subtree is 2. What is the height of the right subtree? There's no right subtree. So it is 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now what is this 2? This 2 is our problem node. Why? Because if the value is 0, 1 or minus 1, it is okay. If it is anything apart from 0, 1 and minus 1, then it means our tree is unbalanced. In that case, we'll have to perform a rotation. Now, how do we identify which case this is? Which case this will come under? When did you get a problem? You got a problem when you inserted 19. When we inserted 19, our tree became unbalanced. Where did you insert 19? Where did you insert 19? In the right subtree. In the right subtree of the left subtree of the problem node. So it is, where did you insert the new node? In the right subtree of the left subtree of the problem node. So this is which rotation? So this is which rotation? This is LR rotation. Are you able to recollect, students? Are you able?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
can you check the waiting room?
Yes. Okay. So this is LR rotation. So what are the two steps in the LR rotation? Somebody tell me what are the two steps in LR rotation? What are the two steps? Come on. बताओ बताओ, अगर आपको याद है तो बताना भी चाहिए. LR रोटेशन में एक स्टेप नहीं है, दो स्टेप है. LL और RR में एक ही स्टेप है. LR में दो स्टेप है. What are the two steps? First step is what in LR? Come on, somebody should remember. Why? What happened? Somebody should be remembering. Pranav.
मैम पहले वो राइट साइड से करते फिर लेफ्ट साइड से बैलेंस करते हैं.
एक डेफिनेशन बताया था मैंने, क्या है वो? LR का what is the rotation? What is the short form of LR? Left rotation at left child of problem node followed by a right rotation at the problem node. Do you remember? Wait, I'll show you. What is LL? LL is right rotation at problem node. What is RR? RR is opposite, left rotation at
लेफ्ट
problem.
रोटेशन प्रॉब्लम.
What is LR? LR is left
लेफ्ट
rotation at
रोटेशन
left
एट
child
लेफ्ट
of problem
साइड
node
ऑफ प्रॉब्लम.
followed by a right rotation at problem node. What is RL? Right rotation at right child of
राइट
problem
रोटेशन.
node followed by a left rotation at problem node. So you have to keep this in mind forever. हाँ? क्योंकि जब आप न्यूमेरिकल आएगा एग्जाम के टाइम पे और आपको फॉर्मूला रोटेशन क्या करना है वो ही याद नहीं है तो सी यहाँ पे L फर्स्ट है. That means what? It is a left rotation. Where? Left rotation at left child of problem node followed by a right rotation at problem node. दोनों डेफिनेशन इसमें ही है. देखो आप ऐसे देखो LR. How will you identify the type of rotation? Type of rotation identify करने के लिए आपको ऐसे देखना पड़ता है. When did the problem occur? When you inserted a new node in the right subtree of the left subtree of the problem node. So it is LR. That is the type. What is the kind of rotation that you have to do? That is also here. For that you have to see in this direction. What is it? Left rotation at left child of problem node followed by a right rotation at problem node. समझ में आया सबको?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, अभी RL का देखो. RL का ये what when does this problem occur? When does this problem occur? उसके लिए इस तरफ देखना है आपको. When you inserted a new node in the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node, that is when RL problem occurs. What is the kind of rotation that you have to do? For that you have to look in this direction. What is it? Right rotation at right child of problem node followed by a left rotation at problem node. आया समझ में? कैसे याद रखना है?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, तो अभी यहाँ पे आ गए हम, right? So this is a problem case. So what we have to do? We identified that it is LR case, so we have to do two steps. What is the first step? See, I have drawn it again here. This is your current status of your tree. This is our problem node. What is the first step in LR? First step in LR is left rotation at left child of problem node. कौन है problem node? 63 है अपना problem node. उसका left child कौन है? 9 है उसका left child. तो लेफ्ट चाइल्ड पे क्या करना है? लेफ्ट रोटेशन करना है. लेफ्ट मतलब लेफ्ट, ये दिस डायरेक्शन. दैट मींस यू हैव टू पुल 9 डाउन. सो व्हेन यू आर पुलिंग 9 डाउन, व्हाट विल हैपन? ये अपने आप ऊपर चला जाएगा. आप 9 को इधर से नीचे खींच रहे हो तो 19 अपने आप ऊपर आ जाएगा, राइट? सो आफ्टर द फर्स्ट स्टेप, दिस इज हाउ योर ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड ट्री विल लुक लाइक. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप हो गया. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या था? लेफ्ट रोटेशन एट लेफ्ट चाइल्ड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम नोड. एक और स्टेप बाकी है. व्हाट इज दैट? राइट रोटेशन एट प्रॉब्लम नोड. कौन है अपना प्रॉब्लम नोड? 63. 63 को कहाँ कैसे रोटेट करना है? राइट रोटेट करना है, राइट? मतलब ये साइड, मतलब आप 63 को नीचे खींच रहे हो. जब आप 63 को नीचे खींच रहे हो, आपका ट्री कैसे, रूट कौन बनेगा? 19 विल बिकम द रूट, 9 will be the left child and 63 will be the right child. So after LR rotation, this is how your tree will look like. Now if you check the balance factors, इसका 0 है, इसका 0 है और इसका भी 0 है. कैसे इसका 0 बना? One is the height of the left subtree, one is the height of the right subtree. 1 minus 1, 0. So after your first rotation, LR rotation, this is how your tree will look like. So you have to annotate what kind of rotation you are doing. When you are doing a rotation, make it sure to highlight it there that this is the rotation that you have performed. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, could you just check the waiting room once more?
Ma'am, you are on mute.
ठीक है? So after this step, the next value to be inserted is 27. When you insert 27, your tree is balanced only. So you'll proceed to the next node, which is 18. When you insert 18, 18 will come here, right? 18 is smaller than 19, so it will come in the left subtree. It's greater than 9, so it will come in the right subtree of 9. Now also your tree is balanced only when you're calculating the balance factor. So you'll proceed to add the next node, which is 108. So 108 will obviously come in the right subtree. It is also not causing any imbalance. So you can proceed to add the next node, which is 99. So when you add 99, is any imbalance happening? 99 will come here because it is smaller than 108. Again, 99 is also not causing any problem. So you can proceed to add the next node, which is 81. So when you add 81, what is happening? What is happening when you're adding 81? Where will 81 come? 81 is smaller than 99, so it will come in the left subtree of 99 only, right? So 81 will come here. When you add 81, when you had added 81, you can see that imbalance is happening at 3 nodes. 3 nodes are getting their balance factor 2. So इसका 2 कैसे बना? 108 का balance factor 2 कैसे बना? इसका लेफ्ट सब ट्री का हाइट क्या है? 2 है. राइट सब ट्री का हाइट क्या है? 0 है. So it is actually 2 minus 0. How did you get this minus 2 over here? Somebody tell me, how did you get this minus 2 over here?
1 minus 3.
1 minus 3. देखो लेफ्ट सब ट्री का हाइट 1 है, राइट सब ट्री का हाइट 3 है. 1 minus 3 मतलब minus 2. इसका कैसे minus 2 मिला? Somebody tell me, how did you get this minus 2? कोई और बताओ, बताओ इसका हाइट -2 कैसे मिला?
2 minus 4.
2 minus 4. देखो लेफ्ट सब ट्री का हाइट है 1 2, राइट सब ट्री का हाइट क्या है? 1 2 3 4. So it is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is -2. Now you can see that there are 3 problem nodes in your tree. So whom will you try to balance first? You will try to balance the lowest one first. Okay, मतलब lowest जो सबसे नीचे from your leaf node, whoever is the lowest, that person you will try to balance first. So when you are balancing this one, the rest of your tree will automatically become balanced. Okay, so you will always balance this one, the one which is at the lowest level first. Okay, lowest level means actually the highest level. नीचे जो है उसको आप पहले balance करोगे. That means we'll try to balance this problem node. Now you tell me which kind of rotation this is. Which kind of rotation this is? How will you identify the rotation? हाँ बोलो.
LL.
LL. कैसे समझ में आया कि ये LL है? किसको इंसर्ट किया? किसको इंसर्ट किया आपने अभी?
81 को.
81 को. 81 को कहाँ पे इंसर्ट किया?
लेफ्ट साइड में ना.
प्रॉब्लम नोड कौन है अपना? प्रॉब्लम नोड 108 है. 108 के लेफ्ट सब ट्री के लेफ्ट सब ट्री में इंसर्ट किया आपने. सी 108 is your problem node and you inserted 81. Where did you insert 81? You inserted 81 in the left subtree, in the left subtree of the left subtree of the problem node. That is when you had a problem here. So it is LL rotation. LL rotation में कितने steps है? कितने steps है LL rotation में?
एक ही है.
एक ही है. What is that one step?
राइट रोटेशन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम नोड.
राइट रोटेशन है प्रॉब्लम नोड. राइट, तो प्रॉब्लम नोड कौन है अपना? 108 है अपना प्रॉब्लम नोड. ये याद रखो आप लोग. तो मैं आई जस्ट ड्रॉ दिस सेक्शन ओनली हियर. ओके, सिर्फ ये वाला सेक्शन आई एम ड्रॉइंग हियर. तो ये अपना प्रॉब्लम नोड है. तो इसको किस डायरेक्शन में रोटेट करना है? राइट साइड. राइट मतलब इस तरफ खींचना है 108 को. तो जब आप 108 को नीचे खींच रहे हो, रूट नोड कौन बनेगा? कौन बनेगा रूट नोड? 108 को आप जब नीचे खींच रहे हो, who will become the root node?
99.
So this will become what? 99. 81 तो लेफ्ट में ही रहेगा. 108 will be the right child. So मतलब ये जो सेक्शन है, यहाँ पे ये जो सेक्शन है, this becomes transformed like this. मतलब आपका ट्री ऐसे बन जाएगा. Right? This section you have rotated this section. So this section will become like this. That means 99, 81, 108. Now we'll check the balance factor once again. So when we are computing the balance factor once again, we can see that everyone is in range. कोई 2 वाला या 3 वाला कोई case है ही नहीं. मतलब our tree has now become balanced after applying 1 LL rotation. That's it. We have inserted all the values in the tree and we have constructed a balanced AVL tree in the problem by doing rotations when and wherever necessary. So this is how you construct an AVL tree. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'll give you a set of values. Take your notebook and pen and quickly do it. Okay, I'll call out you. I'll call out one by one. So you'll give me the answers. Okay. Take down the values. Take down the values. 14, 17, 11, 7, 53, 4, 13 और उसके बाद 12 and 8. Okay. These are the values using which you have to construct the AVL tree. Everybody take your notebook and pen and try to do it yourself. Don't wait for me to explain or others to give the answer. Fourteen, 17, 11, 7, 53, 4, 13, 12, and 8. Let me see who will give me the answer first. Who's the root node?
14.
14. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में 14, इसका बैलेंस फैक्टर तो 0 है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 17 कौन से साइड में आएगा?
Right.
Right.
बैलेंस फैक्टर क्या है 17 का?
0.
0. What is the balance factor?
-1.
Nice. Next step is 11. 14, 17, and 11. 11 will obviously come in the left side. 0 है, 0 है, 0. Next. Seven, right?
Yes.
0, 1, 0, 1. Next is 53. Right? Correct, na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Seven, 53. Next is 4. Where will 4 come?
7 के
After
left.
7.
Is there an imbalance? No? 0. This is 1. This is 1, 2. Is there an imbalance?
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Here, 0 minus 1 minus 1. Here, 0. So there is an imbalance here. See, in this subtree you have an imbalance. What kind of rotation? What is the kind of rotation?
LL.
11.
Who is the problem node? 11. When did you get the problem? When you inserted 4. Where did you insert 4? In the left subtree of the left subtree of the problem node. So it is a kind of LL rotation. What is the rotation that you have to do?
Right rotation.
Right rotation at problem node. Who is the problem node? 11. So you have to do a right rotation, right? After rotation, you'll get the tree like this. Do you get the tree like this?
Yes.
Yes. How did we do? Those who did not get, I'll rotate it here. So this is your current status of your tree. You have to do a left LL rotation. That means you need to do a right rotation at problem node. Right means this is the problem node. This is your problem node or critical node. So you have to do a right rotation. Right मतलब 11 को नीचे खींचना है. 11 को जब आप नीचे खींचोगे, who will become the root node? 7 will become the root node, right? So your tree will get transformed into, इसको जब आप नीचे खींच रहे हो 7 ऊपर आ जाएगा, तो 7 इधर, 4 इधर, 11 इधर, और इस तरह 17 और 53. Now is your tree balanced? 0, 0, 0, -1, 0. Is your tree balanced? Yes. Now what is the value that you have to insert? 12. Is 12 creating any problem? Is 12 creating any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
One person is saying yes. Let's see. ये अभी आपका current status है. Now we have to insert 12 followed by 8. Well, where will 12 get inserted? Obviously in the left subtree. 12
Ma'am,
will get.
13.
मैम फर्स्ट 13 करेंगे ना.
अच्छा 13 बाकी है. Okay, we have not inserted 13. Okay, 13 कहाँ पे आएगा? Obviously in the left of, towards the left of 11, right? So is it creating any problem? 1 minus 2.
No, ma'am.
minus 1, 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1. यहाँ पे भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. यहाँ पे तो 0 ही होगा. यहाँ पे -1, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे भी 0, यहाँ पे 0 minus 1 minus 1. So no problem created by 13. Now next is 12. Where will 12 come?
Left side of 13.
Left side of 13, right? So यहाँ पे. Now let's check the balance factor again. This is 0, 0, 0. This is 1 minus 0, 1. This is 0 minus 2, minus 2. So we have a problem. So this is again 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 3, minus 2. Again problem. Now what is the balance factor of the root node? What is the balance factor of the root node? बोलो. 14 का 14. This root node का balance factor क्या है?
2.
2.
How did you get the 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So that means we are having problem at 3 places. But obviously we will rotate here only, right? So we'll rotate this section. Now you tell me what is the kind of rotation? What is the type of rotation? RL. You are telling me RL. So when did we get the problem? When we inserted 12. Where did we insert 12? We inserted 12 in the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node. So it is in the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node. So it is an RL rotation. Everybody understood how we identify the type of rotation? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
tell me what are the 2 steps? What are the 2 steps? What are
Right
the
rotation at the right child of the problem node and then left rotation at the problem node.
Very good. Right rotation at right child of problem node followed by a left rotation at problem node. I'll redraw this section here. 11, 13 and 12. This is the section of the subtree that we are trying to rotation. It is an RL rotation. So first you have to do a right rotation at right child of problem node. This is our problem node. This is our problem node. Right rotation at right child. Right child कौन है? 13 है. 13 को right rotate करना है. मतलब ये direction में. तो 13 को आप अगर आप right rotate कर रहे हो, so how will your tree now be? Who will be the root node? Root node will obviously be 11 only. Then who will come here? Who will come here?
12.
12. And then 13 here. कैसे? 13 को जब आप नीचे खींच रहे हो, 12 अपने आप ऊपर आ जाएगा. So your
13 राइट साइड में आएगा ना?
Sorry.
ट्वेल्व भी राइट में आएगा.
Sorry. Okay, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so after your first step, this is how your tree will look like. Now one more step is left. What is that step? We have done right rotation at right child of problem node. Now the next step is left rotation at problem node. Left problem node कौन है अपना 11. 11 को किस तरह rotate करना है? Left मतलब इस तरफ rotate करना है. तो 11 को आप जब left rotate कर रहे हो, who will become the root node?
12.
12. 12 will become the root node. 11 will become the left subtree and 13 will become the right subtree. So after you do RL rotation, this section of your tree will become like this. मतलब यहाँ पे 12 connect होगा, 12 के left में 11 और right में 30. So after you insert 12, this section of your subtree will get transformed to like this after the two steps, right? Now what is the last value to be inserted? 8. Where will 8 come? Where will 8 come? 8 कहाँ पे आएगा?
लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 11.
लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 11 मतलब यहाँ पे. करेक्ट. इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है क्या आपका ट्री?
Yes.
यस. देखते हैं 1 2 2 minus 1 1. Sorry, this is 1. Right? This is 0. This is also 0. This is 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 2. And this is 1 2 3 4. 4 minus 2 2. This is 0 minus 1 minus 1. So you have to imbalance at two places, but obviously we'll do this rotation first. Now you tell me, what is this case? What is the case?
RL.
RL. How you got it as RL? Where did you insert? Where did you insert? In the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node. See, this is the right subtree of the problem node. Who is the problem node? 7 is the problem node. उसके right subtree में आपने insert किया. किसको insert किया? 8 को. 8 को कहाँ पे insert किया? Left subtree. Okay. So when you inserted a new node 8 in the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node, you got this problem. So it is a case of RL rotation. So RL में क्या है? दो steps. Right rotation at right child of problem node followed by a left rotation at problem node. So after you do the two steps, this will get transformed like this. So this will be your final answer. Did everybody get this answer? Yes? Yes or no? Any issues? Did everybody get this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, take this question down. I'll give you just 2 minutes. After that, we'll proceed to AVL tree deletion. Everybody, please solve this in 2 minutes. Now you should be an expert in constructing AVL trees. We have already discussed 3 examples, right? 2 examples, quickly. Fifteen, 20, 24, 10, 13, 7, 30, 36 and 25. This time I'll surely call you out one by one. So everybody work it out. Amol, Vansh, and Itisha will give me the answers. Amol, Vansh, and Itisha.
मैम
Okay?
क्वेश्चन वापस दिखाइए ना.
हाँ. Done? Amol? Amol? Amol Gautam, please give me the answer. Amol, unmute yourself. Amol has disappeared. Vansh? Shah Vansh? No, Vansh Jain. Vansh? Itisha?
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me. Uh, who is the root node?
15.
Okay. Balance factor?
0.
Where will 20 come?
Right node.
Balance factor?
0.
Where will 24 come?
Right of 20.
Balance factor?
0 for 24.
And here?
-1.
Minus. And here?
-2.
Okay. Ananya Ketkar, tell me what kind of rotation, what kind of case this is? Ananya, unmute yourself and tell me what kind of rotation this is. Ananya Ketkar. No. Sharvari is there? Sharvari Kasar? No. Akshat? Akshat is there? Okay, Janvi? Janvi Mehta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is RR.
This is RR.
Right.
Okay. This is RR. So what is, how it is RR? Because when did the problem occur? Because when you inserted 24. Where did you insert 24? the right subtree of the right subtree of the problem node. So it is RR. So what rotation we have to do?
Left rotation of the problem
Left
node.
rotation at problem node. So left side. So who will become the root node? Who will become the
20.
root node? 20. 15 will become the left child. 24 will be the right child. So it is balanced now. Now somebody else tell me, where will 10 go? Where will 10 go? Should I call out?
Left node of 15.
Is it creating an imbalance? Is it creating an imbalance? No, right? It's not creating any imbalance.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is 7.
Creates an imbalance, ma'am. So we have to rotate it again. No, 13, sorry, not 7.
What is wrong? Did I write the question wrong? 10, 13, 7, yeah, na? Acha, 13. Next is 13. So when you're inserting 13, is it creating an imbalance? No, it's not creating any imbalance. उसके बाद 10, 13 or 13, 10 did I give you? 10, 13. 10, 13 and 7. So insertion of 13 is creating a problem. What problem it is creating? What problem it is creating? I'll draw it here itself. Leave it.
Imbalance, ma'am.
Next is after 10, 13. Where will 13 come? Right side of 10, right? What imbalance it is creating?
LR.
LR. It's creating LR. How it is creating LR? Because who will become the problem node when you're inserting 13?
15.
15
15
will become the problem. See 1, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. So iska 2 ho jayega. That means this will become a problem node. So when you inserted 13 in the right subtree of the left subtree of the problem node, you had a problem. So it is LR rotation. LR means first left rotation at left child. Kaun hai left child? On a left child? 10 hai left child. So left rotation at left child. Left. Means what will happen? What will happen? What will happen? I am just redrawing this section alone here. ऐसा है आपका current status 15, 10, 13. So this is LR case. So you have to do a left rotation at 10. तो जब आप 10 को नीचे खींच रहे हैं तो कौन ऊपर आएगा? Who will come up? Who will come up? 13 will come up. So this will become what? This will become 15, 13, 10. Only one step we have done. First step, left rotation at left child. Now one step is left. What is that step? Right rotation at problem node. Who is the problem node? 15. 15 should be rotated right. So then this will become what? Who will become the root node? Who will become the root node? 13. 13 will become the root node. 15 will become the right child. And 10 will become the left child, right? So this section, this subtree will get transformed like this. 13 is the parent, 10 left and 15 right. Okay. So after you inserted these many values till 13, this is how your tree will look like. Did everybody get it right till here? Did everybody get it right till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next is what? 7. Is 7 creating any imbalance? Where will 7 go? 7 will go towards the left of 10. Is it creating any imbalance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See here. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, यहाँ पे 2 minus 1 1, यहाँ पे कुछ imbalance नहीं हो रहा है, but when you consider this node, it is 1 2 3, 3 minus 1 2, it is creating an imbalance here. So this is which case?
LL.
LL. Because see, this is your problem node. When did you get the problem? When you inserted 7. Where did you insert 7? In the left subtree of the left subtree of the problem node. So it's an LL rotation. LL rotation means what is a rotation? What is a rotation? LL means what is a rotation? बोलो यार.
Right.
राइट रोटेशनल प्रॉब्लम. तो किसको राइट रोटेट करना है? प्रॉब्लम नोड कौन है अपना? 20 को राइट रोटेट करना है. तो 20 को राइट रोटेट कर रहे हो तो कौन रूट नोड बनेगा?
14 बनेगा.
13 रूट नोड बनेगा. और 20 किसका जगह लेगा?
24 की.
20 किसका जगह लेगा?
अच्छा 20 15
इसको
की.
जब आप नीचे खींच रहे हो ये कहाँ पे आएगा?
15 की.
15 के जगह, राइट?
हाँ 15 की जगह.
और 20 अगर इधर आ रहा है तो 15 कहाँ जाएगा? 20 के लेफ्ट में. और 24 कहाँ आएगा? 20 के
राइट
में. So after this step, I'm changing the slide. This is how your tree will look like. So did everybody get it right till here? Yes?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. उसके बाद next value क्या है insert करने का? 30. Is 30 creating an imbalance? Where will 30 come? 30 will obviously come here. Is it creating an imbalance? 1 2 3. यहाँ पे 2. तो यहाँ पे तो कोई imbalance नहीं आएगा. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 30 is not creating any imbalance, right? Yes or no? Is it creating?
No ma'am.
So 30 is also fine. Next value is 36. Is 36 creating any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it should create a problem. See, it is 1 minus 1, 2, 3. So it is creating a problem here. 1 minus 1, 2, 3 is minus 2. Again, here also it might create a problem. See, it is 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. It's creating a problem at 2 places, but we'll resolve.
And 3 places. At 24 also, na?
Yes, it's creating a problem here also, right? यहाँ पे भी minus 2. So we'll resolve this problem first. तो ये कौन सा rotation है? कौन सा rotation? कौन सा? RL. When did you get a problem? When you inserted 36. Where did you insert 36? RL. RR. RR. When you inserted a new node 36 in the right subtree of the right subtree of the problem node. So it's an RR rotation. RR मतलब rotate किस direction में करना है? Left rotation at बोलो. RR means
problem node.
प्रॉब्लम नोड. लेफ्ट. प्रॉब्लम कौन है? 24 है. 24 को लेफ्ट रोटेट करोगे तो रूट कौन बनेगा? कौन बनेगा रूट? 30 रूट बनेगा. 24 लेफ्ट और 36 राइट. करेक्ट? सो व्हेन यू डू अ रोटेशन, दिस इज हाउ योर ट्री विल लुक लाइक. यहाँ तक सबको सही मिला?
Yes, ma'am.
Last value is 25. Is 25 creating any problem? Where will 25 go? Obviously in the left of 30. So 25 will come here. Is it creating any problem? 1 2 2. यहाँ पे तो कुछ problem नहीं है. यहाँ पे 1 1 2 3. It's again creating a problem. 1 यहाँ पे देखो 1 और यहाँ पे 1 2 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. It's creating a problem here. Which case is this? Is it creating a problem here? 1 2 1 2 3 4. It's creating a problem here also. Minus 2 at 2 places, right? Which is the case?
RL.
When did you inserted 25? Where did you insert 25? In the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node, right? In the left subtree of the right subtree of the problem node. So RL means again 2 steps. Right rotation at right child, राइट चाइल्ड कौन है प्रॉब्लम नोड का 30 है 30 को राइट रोटेट करना है राइट मतलब ये साइड and then followed by a left rotation at problem node. So after you do these two rotations, this is how your final tree will look like. This is your final tree. I hope everybody got the answer right. मिला किसी को मिला आंसर राइट did anybody get it right
मैम
थोड़ा सा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ये न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन है
वही
so till where till the steps you get right you'll get marks the moment it goes wrong na rest of your answer will also go wrong so वहां से आपका marks कट हो जाएगा so it is very important that you show it step wise क्योंकि जिस step तक आपका सही हो रहा है वहां तक आपको marks मिलेगा
ठीक है
So we'll not discuss more examples. We have already discussed 3. So I'll give you more questions in assignment question. Okay. I will proceed to the next section, which is about deletion. Okay. Deletion is normally not asked, but in case it is asked, you should know how to do deletion. That is why I'm teaching deletion. Okay. Okay. Time is 10:57. So we'll proceed. I hope everybody is clear with construction. Yes or no? Everybody is clear with construction and rotations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can expect question in two ways, okay? Either one will be explain the different type of rotation or explain AVL tree. तो अगर explain AVL tree आया है, so you have to define it. What is an AVL tree? It's a binary tree which is self-balancing in nature. Then you have to explain what is meant by self-balancing. And you have to see, you have to explain what is balance factor, what are the 4 cases of rotation, LL, RR, LR, RL. Then you have to explain the different types of rotation with a with an example like this. Okay. The other way the question can be asked is you will be given a set of values and you will have to construct the AVL tree performing rotations at every step. So these are the 2 probable questions which you can expect from AVL tree. Deletion is not asked, but in case it is asked, you should know. So I'll be explaining deletion and the rotations which you have to perform when you do deletion also. So that we'll do in tomorrow's session. Okay. So those are not marked your attendance. Please mark your attendance. I'll upload this slide. Those who have not got it wrong or those who went wrong at any of these steps, you can just work it out once again. You'll surely get it and you can refer the slide. Okay. Aryan, you are at college?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
Okay. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Others can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम वो राइटअप वाले में आपने कुछ भेजा नहीं मतलब उसमें कैसे लिखे कैसे
मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन में बताया था ना क्लास में भी बताया था जैसे बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में आप करते हो एम ऑब्जेक्टिव थियोरी
बट नो रेफरेंस फाइल इज देयर ना मतलब हमको ऐसा उसमें मिलता है ना फाइल एम रेफरेंस ऐसा पूरा
एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर एम जो लैब मैनुअल में दिया है वैसे के वैसे हेलो am I audible
यस मैम
am I audible yes lab manual is already there on Moodle right तो lab manual में जो aim objective theory problem statement theory and conclusion that's what
ओके
you
मैम
write add give this instruction
ओके मैम आई डिडंट सॉ द लैब मैनुअल
should have asked any of your friends right lab manual was there uploaded that is why I announced this during the last on 29th
सॉरी मैम थैंक यू मैम
हाँ okay